All right, good morning. Today you're going to take a look at some transformations of energy changing from one type to another. You're going to work on two online simulations. The first one is PhET Skate Park. You can find those links on Google Classroom. You should also have a handout in front of you. You're going to answer the questions in here on a new left side page in your notebook. And in your notebook, you should have answers to 10 questions. Make sure you're reading all parts of the questions. And there are also instructions on this sheet to tell you what kind of track to pick and where to look in the simulation. So please take your time and read the directions so that you're getting the right answers. The first thing you're going to start with is Energy Skate Park. And again, this link is on Google Classroom. You can place the skater on the ramp, but before you do, I ask you to add in the speedometer so you can see the speed of the skater. And then you can see once you place the skater on the track, they start to move. So you'll take a look at that simulation and you'll answer some questions. Please, again, make sure that you're following the instructions on the sheet. That should take you a decent amount of time in class. Don't rush through it. There's also a friction section and a playground section. You're going to start out on the intro section, and then you're going to move later into the friction section. If you have time at the end and you want to work on the playground section, you can, but please keep in mind that there's another activity you also need to do. The next thing you're going to look at is Coaster Creator. You're going to go through and read the instructions.
Are you not permission to
And this is going to teach you a little bit about PE, which is potential energy, and KE, which is kinetic energy. In this simulation, they also talk about dissipated energy, and that is energy that is transformed into thermal energy and sound energy, and so it's no longer an active part of the coaster. You'll go through the instructions. There's a lot of them, but it will help you if you can read it. And then you're going to build the roller coaster.
Give your cars a unique look. Choose the car's shape and colors.
So you get the point of that. And we're going for high score for class, so please make sure that you're spending some time on that. The Coaster Creator is a game, and if you don't get to it, it's okay. We'll have some other times in class for it. Please do not skip through the other work to get to Coaster Creator. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.